The Dri-Scope Aid family of products consists of multiple ways to dry the internal channels of your endoscopes to help defend against bioburden growth. Each of the intricate channels has a specific connector that attaches to the endoscope to deliver either self-contained HEPA-filtered air or supplied medical/instrument air. The single-use connector helps to ensure against potential cross-contamination between endoscopes. The tubing and connectors are designed specifically for each of the major brands and types of endoscopes. The Dri-Scope Aid Jetstream is a compact unit that can dry up to 2 scopes at once. The Jetstream can sit on the countertop, mount to the wall, or hang from a pole. The Dri-Scope Aid cabinet is an independent system that delivers HEPA-filtered air or supplied medical/instrument air. The DSAC can be retrofitted into your existing scope cabinet or pre-mounted into one of our partners' new complete drying cabinet. The Dri-Scope Aid Tracker has an onboard tablet that allows users to monitor their scope drying process. Green indicates that the drying cycle is complete. Orange indicates it is actively drying. Each scope will also indicate how long it has been waiting in the queue, how much time is left on the dry cycle, and how much hang time it has left.